In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram to dark mode or light mode. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Accessibility if the option is available. Then, tap Dark Mode or Appearance. Here, you can choose Light, Dark, or System Default. Select the theme you want, and Instagram will immediately switch to the new appearance. If you don't see a dark mode option inside Instagram, simply open your phone's settings, go to Display, and change your device's theme to dark or light. Instagram will automatically follow your phone's system theme on most devices. That's it. That's how you can switch Instagram between dark mode and light mode. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.